Hello everybody, this is a little update on our channel, which is oriented to sim rigs and RC models. We haven't filming for a long time because we were busy with optimizing our workspace, and even though the weather starts to be quite cold and wet, we are ready to film and drive at a full potential. So this right there is a FPV system. This is a Volksnail with a cooling fan, and I will turn it off because it's quite loud. I just installed it and it works very well. I will leave all these 3D models into description so you can install them on your RC model if you want. This right there is the unit that we created, and it sends a force feedback to any steering wheel you have, which has a force feedback. It also has a very special kind of sensor that creates force feedback. We're not using gyroscopic sensors as some others product do. I have some upgrades on this sim rig, such as weight reduction and better monitor, low latency monitor, but I will do separate video on that. This here is our last version of the station, and the prototype one was like this. It's been used on the go-kart track, and we have the stone to prevent the wind to blow it away. And this is the model setup. It was an absolute mess, and now it looks very optimized and way easier to install. We also started to build an airplane that is going to allow us to test the same system, but not with a steering wheel, but with a flying stick which has force feedback, which is designed by one of my colleagues. Back to RC models. In next couple of days we are going to test it and drive it on the go-kart track. Make sure you don't miss it, and see you on the track.